In this video, we showed the proof for how to solve a level 3 question. So this is the second video on level 3 questions. The other one just showed the shortcut way, but this one's a little bit more thorough in that it shows the proof. And so we had, for question 8, we had a triangle. We labelled the hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite sides. We discovered because it's opposite and hypotenuse, we're dealing with a sine question, and we started plugging in our numbers. And we know that it's a level 3 question because the angle is what is unknown. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to do an inverse operation, and we want to multiply both sides by 1 over sine. Okay, and what that will do is that we will actually cancel sine out, so that will actually give us theta equals 14.9 over 38. I'm just going to move that across a little bit to the right and put my 1 over sine here. So we're actually dividing by sine. Okay. And what we know about 1 divided by sine, this is actually 1 divided by sine equals sine to the power of negative 1. Okay, and so with that knowledge, we now know that theta equals sine to the power of negative 1, and then it's multiplied by 14.9 over 38 in brackets. And for a calculator, we have to now do shift sine, so that gives us sine to the power of negative 1, 14.9 divided by 38, and so that gives us an angle of theta which is 23.09 degrees. Okay, let's do one more for a level 3 question. Again, we know we've labelled the sides, hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite. We've learnt that it's a tan question. Theta is the unknown, so now we know it's a level 3 question. And now let's go to the proof. It's going to move that one down a little bit so we've got enough room. Okay, so we're going to multiply both sides by 1 over tan. And on the left-hand side, they will cancel, so that'll give us 1 tan, or tan. 1 times theta, or theta, equals 1 over tan multiplied by 41 divided by 29. And so that equals tan to the power of negative 1, brackets 41 over 29, which put into our calculator. So we have shift tan and then 41 divided by 29. That gives us an answer of 54.73 degrees. So that's the proof of how we did that. Okay, for our other video on the shortcut way, that's just an easier way, which let's just go through that quickly now. We know it's a level 3 question, and so what we're going to do is we're just going to jump to theta equals cos negative to the power of negative 1, 15 over 27, and that will become shift cos 15 over 27. That will become 56.25. degrees. So you don't have to do the proof, but the purpose of the video is to show you just how did we actually, why did we just move the cos over from the left to the right? We did an inverse operation, but what was the proof behind it? So that was the purpose of the video. Okay, so now you would have seen videos on how to solve level 1 questions where the numerator is unknown. Level 2 questions where the denominator is unknown, and then level 3 questions where it's the angle that's unknown. So hopefully these videos have been able to help you identify the different kinds of levels of questions. Okay, thanks for watching the video and good luck with your maths.